Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and yet another MTs. Yes, by the title you all know today I'm going to be talking about a bunch of products. I happen to finish up few of the products I've already repurchased and which are those products I would not repurchase. Yes, because haul videos mein I happen to show you a lot of things. I do happen to review a lot of things, but by the end of the process, when you actually finish up the product, what were the final thoughts and the experience? So you'll know everything in this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm definitely picking up things randomly because the basket is full and I really don't want to waste any time here. So first up, I happen to finish this Mahogany Teakwood by Bath & Body Men's Collection 3-in-1 face and body wash. I must tell you, go and grab this one. If you are someone who likes to smell the best, smell is not the right word actually. If you want a good fragrance around you and after that bath you do feel the fresh, you need this one. This is priced at I think 1,499 or 2,000 rupees, but get it at a good discount on Bath & Body. You will definitely enjoy this one. This is a 3-in-1 thing, so you can wash your face, you can wash your hair, and you can wash your body with it. This is the best thing I like about this product, that this is 3-in-1. So you really don't have to pick up another one. So I also use it. This is for men's, but who told you cannot use it? Use it, you're gonna love it, and I will definitely be repurchasing it. The only reason I did not repurchase it because I already have a lot of body washes in stock, so let me finish them up, but definitely going back to that one. Moving on to another body wash which I happen to finish is this Fiamma Shower Gel Lemongrass and Jojoba, which is for basically, it has a little scrub granules also, but I would not call them as scrub granules, but it's definitely a little exfoliating. The one thing which I liked about this product, like it's super thick, you need a very little product. So initial 5 days though I was using too much, but then I realized I'm wasting a lot of product, and this will last you the longest. Buy this huge one and you're sorted. So if you haven't tried any body washes and you're interested in, then this can be one of those, because this is cheaper than the Bath & Body one and this will last you the longest. And get this size. The bigger the size, the lesser the amount. The smaller the size, the bigger amount. So here you will save money, and this is definitely good ones. I've tried few odd from Fiamma Devils and I'll tell you, I have loved every single one of them. And that lemongrass one is also amazing. I will be repurchasing that one as well. Quickly moving on to some cleansers. So first up, I happen to finish my simple moisturizing facial wash. Have you seen my top 10 cleanser video? Watch that video to know a little more about every single cleanser I have talked to there, as well as the cleansers best made for combination to oily, all type, aging and maturing skin. So check out that video. Now getting back to this one, this is a beautiful cleanser. I would definitely go back to this cleanser into my next summers because monsoons are already here, kind of. Delhi में ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. So I will be repurchasing this only in next summer, but this is a beautiful cleanser for combination to oily skin and dry skin. Can use, but I do feel it will dry you out. So yes, a beautiful cleanser which I thoroughly enjoyed by Simple. The other one also I'm not going to repurchase because I already repurchased. I'm already using it. After that, I think I'm just going to give a little pause, but I've already repurchased this one. Is the Garnier Skin Natural Vitamin C Face Wash. Again, a beautiful cleanser for combination oily skin, strictly combination oily skin. This is a creme based cleanser which is give you a squeaky clean face and simultaneously will take away all the hydration as well. So for those reasons, I'm saying dry skin, keep yourself away. Now if you have acne prone skin or you have small pimples, if you have imperfections, being a combination to oily skin, introduce this cleanser. You will see a more of a corrected skin and a clean skin and a brightened skin. ये गारंटी मैं इसलिए दे रही हूँ because ये क्लेंजर मैं पिछले 1 साल से नहीं, पिछले 10 सालों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. And the packaging also has kept changing in between, but I stayed and sticked by that cleanser. तो ये मेरे रूटीन में हमेशा ही रहता है. So 10-year experience is not a less experience. If I'm saying it, mark my words, get it, you're gonna love it. Quickly moving on to a perfume which happened to finish was the Silver Zara Man perfume. Now I would have skipped this product altogether, but I kept it just to mention about this product. It's a beautiful perfume for men. Even women can use it if you like a little strong perfume. And it is something which will settle down to a medium fragrance. Now if you are under a budget and you want to try some good perfume, Zara is one of those brands. So I did happen to grab like 4 to 5 perfumes for him, and one of them is this one. I have few more which he is using. Once he finishes off, I will talk about them. But then Zara perfumes are really good for men. Even for women, the collection is vast and price point बहुत अच्छा है. तो अगर आपने Zara perfumes कभी ट्राई नहीं किया और आपको इन जनरल ट्राई करने का मन है तो ले लो. एक ही चीज़ ध्यान में रखना, इनकी जो बॉटलें वो बहुत भारी हैं, ट्रैवल में थोड़ा वेट ऐड होता है, बट अदरवाइज द परफ्यूम्स आर रियली नाइस. Quickly moving on to another skincare product which I happen to finish. I repurchased already. I'm already using the second bottle. Is the 82E Gotugula DU Revitalizing Toner Serum with Gotugula and Niacinamide. The perfect toner कम सीरम है ये. अगर आप टोनर इन जनरल नहीं लगाते और आपको सीरम में इंटरेस्ट है बट आपको टोनर इंक्लूड करने का मन कर रहा है तो आप ये ले लो. मैं टोनर नहीं लगाती, माई स्किन डज नॉट लाइक इट. इट जस्ट हैपन्स टू फील मोर हैवी. इट जस्ट मुझे लगता है कुछ कंजेशन है स्किन में व्हेन आई पुट अ टोनर. सो फॉर दोज रीजंस आई डोंट पुट अ प्लेन टोनर. सो आई इंट्रोड्यूस दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई बिकेम अ फैन ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. Now here the point is I don't even mind paying the full MRP of this product because this definitely adds that brightness and skin correction. So if you are interested in something premium and something really working, then this is definitely good one by 82E. Try it, you're gonna love it. Though I've done a complete dedicated review on the 82E products, check them out if you haven't, because इधर मैं बहुत ही प्रिसाइज बोल रही हूँ. उस वीडियो में मैंने काफ़ी डिटेल में सब चीज़ें समझाई हैं. सो डू चेक आउट द रिव्यू. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द टू लोशंस. एक्चुअली आई फिनिश्ड क्वाइट अ फ्यू लोशंस बट देन दीज टू अगेन आई फिनिश्ड एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी repurchased one of them. So I did happen to finish up both of these. This I have talked at length. I've already repurchased this one. This will give you the most hydrating, not the most hydrating, I would say most corrected skin. नाइस हाइड्रेशन. यू रियली डोंट हैव टू डू टच अप ऑन टू दिस. सुपर लाइट है, कंफर्टेबल प्रोडक्ट है, बिल्कुल ऑयली नहीं है, क्रीसी नहीं है और बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपाहट नहीं है इसमें. सो फॉर दोज रीजंस आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन. आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिपर्चेज दिस वन एंड यू वुड हैव सीन मी शोइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट ऑलमोस्ट इन एवरी सिंगल हॉल आई हैव डन सो फार बिकॉज ये खत्म हो जाती है और मैं इसे खरीद लेती हूँ. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच आई ऑलरेडी रिपर्चेज. द नेक्स्ट वन इज समथिंग आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिपर्चेज बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट समथिंग सिमिलर टू दैट वन. सो धोखा मत खाना, ये मत सोच लेना कि ये उसी की तरह है बस डिफरेंट पैकेजिंग है. नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसको लगाते वक्त भी आपको वो फील आ जाएगा कि थोड़ा डिफरेंस है फील में. दूसरा, इट इज़ नॉट do anything different for my skin. My skin did not feel wow after using this product. It was good but not the wow I'm feeling with the pink one. So for those reasons I'm not going to buy this one. I did not feel any skin corrections or I did not see that hydration point also which I felt with the pink one. So that is why I'm not going to repurchase this one. If you are liking it, loving it, continue using it, but something which I did not feel that I should put my money again in. Quickly moving into this video, next up another lotion which I have completely finished is the Vaseline Intense Care Aloe Fresh बॉडी लोशन. दिस इज़ अ 400 ml वन. आई टेल यू, मैं लोशंस के साथ कभी भी इतनी रेगुलर नहीं रही बट पिछले 6 से 8 महीनों में द काइंड ऑफ लोशंस आई हैव ट्राइड एंड द रूटीन में जो लोशन सेट हुआ है इट्स ब्यूटिफुल एंड आई हैव सीन सम गुड चेंजेस इनटू माय स्किन एंड लोशन डेफिनेटली एड्स अप. सो इफ यू हैवंट been taking body lotion seriously, start taking it. You will feel मुझे ये 10 साल पहले यूज़ करना चाहिए था. I should have included this product 10 years back because your skin also ages, not just your face. So this is again a beautiful one. बहुत अच्छा hydration देता है. I was using it like when the winters was closing down and summers were hitting, तब ये finish हो गया. But this is a beautiful one again by Vaseline. Affordable है, ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है pocket पे, super light product है, aloe vera है तो hydration रहेगा ही, skin correction भी मिलेगी आपको and it does not feel creasy or heavy onto the skin. So again a beautiful lotion which I absolutely love by Vaseline. I've already picked up something else from Vaseline. So yes, repurchases I keep doing. Maybe I may just tend to change a little bit of ingredient. But Vaseline is something which is definitely killing it in lotion category. मतलब I'm amazed. Next up I happen to finish 2 cleansers from the same brand and the same cleanser, the Revlon one. Summers is something wherein I use this constantly. Reason being, पहले तो ये थोड़ा मेरा मेकअप भी आराम से निकाल देता है. लाइक इफ एक्सीडेंटली आई वोर अ मेकअप, लाइक नॉट एक्सीडेंटली आई वोर अ मेकअप, आई वोर अ मेकअप एंड एक्सीडेंटली आई डिड नॉट डू माई फर्स्ट क्लेंजिंग, द बाम क्लेंजिंग. आई वेंट टू बाथरूम फॉर द फर्स्ट शावर and I don't have my cleanser there. This can remove almost 80% of my makeup by itself. तो काजल वगैरह I have to still remove it with the balm or some kind of a micellar water, but this can remove 80% of your makeup. without creating extra foam or drying out your skin instantly. आराम से मेकअप निकल जाता है, you wash it off and then you can moisturize your skin. This by itself without any makeup also cleans your face really well. The only one thing which you have to keep in mind that this product is a drying product again. Though it does not have any foam, so वो उतनी जल्दी dry नहीं करता जितनी जल्दी वो गार्नियर का फेस वॉश कर देगा. सो अगर आपने ये वाले फेस वॉश भी नहीं ट्राई किए तो कर लो, बिकॉज ये भी आपको एक ब्राइटन अप स्किन देता है, स्किन करेक्शन मिलती है और आपकी स्किन टोन भी इवन हो जाती है. सो ट्राई दिस क्लेंजर. दिस इज अगेन ब्यूटीफुल बाय Revlon. Now quickly moving on to another moisturizer which I happen to finish, and by saying that, did you check out the 10 moisturizer video also I have done? Yes, you would have missed it. Check out that video where I talked about 10 moisturizers well done for all skin type, including the aging and the maturing skin. Now getting back to this one, again something I have completely finished up. Again something I have been using from the time it has been launched. It is more than 6 years I've been using this product. 5 years, sorry. And this is again a beautiful moisturizer by Colorbar, the Blue Light Defense. The texture of the product is super light, creamy bhi hai, light bhi hai, does not feel heavy onto the skin, but I do feel this moisturizer is well suited only in summer weather, not in winter weather. It does not add a lot of hydration, so summers ke liye, for combination to oily skin and even for dry skin, I do feel this moisturizer is good only for summer weather and monsoon weather, not for winter weather. But this moisturizer also calms your skin, give you skin nourishment. And Blue Light Defense, I am still speculating, but then it will definitely add the nourishment and give you a nice soft and supple skin for the day, and you can wear this moisturizer underneath your makeup as well. Next up, another 2 cleansers, and I've talked about them as well. First up, I happen to finish my Hyphen Oil Control Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Again, a beautiful cleanser for combination to oily skin. It has niacinamide, prebiotic sugar, AHA, BHA 2%. Now, I reviewed this product. Some of you came back and said you are loving the cleanser and the other products I talked about. Check out my Hyphen review video, you'll know everything. But this is a beautiful cleanser. Again, gel format में है, drying नहीं रहेगा ज़्यादा, काफ़ी अच्छे से साफ करता है चेहरे को, मेकअप नहीं निकाल सकता. लेट मी वेरी क्लियर हियर, इट कैन डेफिनेटली डू गुड डबल क्लेंजिंग एंड it does not have a very vague smell. Now this is the question which has come back to me, that a lot of content creators been saying that इसमें बहुत गंदी सी smell है. Guys, I'll tell you, every product has some sort of smell into it. Some people add it, some people don't. The where fragrance is not added, you will smell that product in a little more vague manner because कुछ added नहीं है. तो थोड़ा जो product को बनाया गया है उन वाले ingredients की तो थोड़ी बहुत खुशबू आएगी आपको. ना वो खुशबू भी हो सकती है और वो बदबू भी हो सकती है. Now it is not harsh like the one which this one. जब आप निकालते हो, थोड़ा सा इसको रब करते हो, फेस पे लगाते हो, इनिशियली आपको थोड़ा सा लगता है, बट देन as you wash your face, it's not there. So it's not nauseating, it's not going to bother you. It is definitely going to give you a clean and a squeaky clean face if you are a combination to oily skin, and it's not a dry product. So अगर आप dry skin हो तो भी आप उसे use कर सकते हो summers and monsoon weather में. And talking about another cleanser which I thoroughly enjoyed, again something strictly made for combination to oily skin and an acne prone skin, is the Better Body Bombay Anti Acne Daily Face Wash. ये भी बहुत अच्छा cleanser है, अच्छे से clean करता है चेहरे को, मेकअप नहीं निकाल सकता. Let me be very clear again, this is a double cleansing product. First cleansing you have to do it with a balm or whatever you use, but then you can use this product as a second cleansing. Will I go back and repurchase this one? No, because I felt it is a good cleanser. But if you have more concerns, then this is not the cleanser which solves the issue for me. So in between I had a lot of acne concerns also, which I don't have anymore. This cleanser was just cleaning my face, was not really working on my issues. So this can be your normal cleanser. You can have it in your bathroom if you have nothing on your face. But if you have certain concerns, then you can totally avoid this one. I'm not going to repurchase this one, though I will definitely go back to the Hyphen one because I really like the Hyphen cleanser. Now let's move on to some more moisturizers. So the other thing which I happen to finish, I think we are done with only 2, we are left with only 2 more products, is the M Caffeine Sun Fix Daily Glow Green Tea Sunscreen, Hyaluronic Acid and Niacinamide SPF Sunscreen. I have completely finished up this one. I'm almost done with 2 more, but they have still a little bit of product in it, so maybe in the next empties you will see. But this is a beautiful SPF. I'll tell you, Mcaffeine has killed it in SPF category, like sunscreen category. They have so many different variants, and I'll tell you, I've bought every single variant they have launched, and I loved every single variant they have launched. So if you have any doubt about any SPF they have launched, do not, just grab it, use it, and you will come back and tell me that this is the best you have tried. Why? Non-greasy, no white cast, you do not even feel that you're wearing an SPF. That's the art of it. So ये लगाने के बाद आपको मॉइस्चराइजर लगाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, because this does everything. It really reduces one step of your skincare routine, because this itself also is providing you a lot of things which your moisturizer would do. So yes, a beautiful SPF by Mcaffeine. I absolutely love it, and I am definitely repurchasing it. Maybe अगर वो और भी कुछ नया launch कर देंगे तो definitely, but SPF is something wherein I feel I'm going to stick by Mcaffeine for some more time, because they are well done. And the last product, and a hair care product, is the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Shea Butter Professional Shampoo. This is a bigger bottle. I recently showed you a smaller bottle which I repurchased. I'll tell you, this is one of those shampoos which is always into my hair care routine. So this time I did not buy the big bottle because it's not easy to travel with. So that is why I picked up the small one. This is again something I used weekly once, because there is another shampoo which I use weekly. So yes, this is something again to my hair care routine. So even if you have smoothened hair or straightened hair, you can include this shampoo. It does not damage the hair. This definitely controls, or maybe does not make my hair super dry, which leads to hair fall. This definitely maintains the moisture of my hair. So for those reasons, I've already repurchased something I love. Even I love the conditioner by them. Something which I have already repurchased, and I will keep repurchasing. And there you discovered a bunch of interesting skincare and hair care products which I happen to completely finish, and you know my final thoughts, which are those products wherein I went back and repurchased, I'm going to repurchase in future, and the products which I am completely going to skip in future. Every product has a pro and a con. You have to keep your mind open whenever you are trying a new skincare or a hair care product. Though I try a lot of different things, my expectations are also accordingly, and most of these products have definitely lived up to my expectation, and some of the products have worked above my expectations. So everything will be linked and listed in my description if you are interested in any of the products. Most of these products are reviewed onto my channel, so check out the dedicated reviews as well. If you really loved watching today's video, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram @BronzingGeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!